Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve everything they dream of, while others, even after trying so hard, they stuck in the same place? It's not because they are less intelligent, it's not because they don't work hard enough, it's because their energy is scattered, their attention is divided. They lack the one skill that separates achievers from dreamers. But before we begin, thank you for subscribing to Shaping Greatness. Now, let's move on and talk about something that can completely transform your life: the power of focus. Most people think focus means paying attention, but that's not the full truth. Focus means the ability to direct all your energy, all your thoughts, and all your emotions towards one goal without getting distracted by everything else happening around you. Imagine sunlight. When it spreads everywhere, it feels warm, but it can't burn anything. But when you channel the same sunlight through a magnifying glass, it becomes fire. It can burn through anything. Your mind works the same way. When your thoughts are scattered, your energy weakens. But when your mind is concentrated on one purpose, you become unstoppable. But here's the truth: in today's world, staying focused is harder than ever. Your phone buzzes every few minutes. Social media keeps demanding your attention. You start something important, but within seconds, your mind drifts away. How many times have you sat down to study or work for 30 minutes and ended up scrolling through your phone for an hour? We are not running out of time, we are running out of focus. And that's why people keep feeling busy but still unfulfilled. They are doing too much but achieving too little because their mind is everywhere except where it needs to be. But when you do learn to control your focus, life changes. When your mind is locked on a single goal, you stop wasting energy. Every thought, every action starts moving in the same direction towards your goal. That's when you start achieving results faster than ever. That's when the world starts noticing you. Every successful person you admire, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, APJ Abdul Kalam, they all had one thing in common: they knew how to give their full focus to one mission at a time. They didn't chase 100 things, they mastered one thing, because focus turns ordinary efforts into extraordinary power. Let's understand it scientifically. Your brain is not designed to handle multiple things deeply at once. When you multitask, your brain keeps switching between tasks, and every switch drains you multiple energy. That's why, after a day of doing many things, you feel tired. Yet, you haven't accomplished anything meaningful. Research proves that multitasking can reduce your efficiency by up to 40%. That's almost half your potential lost just because your attention keeps jumping. But here's something powerful: focus is not a gift, it's not something you are born with, it's a skill, and like every skill, it can be trained, strengthened, and mastered. So, how do you build unshakable focus in this distracted world? Here are few life changing steps you can start with. First, eliminate distraction. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Keep your phone away when you are working. Remember, every time you check your phone, your mind loses momentum. Second, set clear goals. Write down exactly what you want to achieve each day. Clarity builds focus. When your goals are clear, your mind naturally filters out what doesn't matter. Third, use the Pomodoro technique. Work with deep focus for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This trains your mind to stay sharp without burnout. Fourth, practice meditation or mindfulness. Even 10 minutes of silence every day can strengthen your attention span. It helps you control your thoughts instead of being controlled by them. Fifth, take care of your energy. Get enough sleep, get healthy food, because of tired, unfueled brain cannot focus no matter how hard you try. Focus is not about working harder. It's about working with clarity and intentions. Let me tell you a story that perfectly defines what true focus looks like. When Arjun was training under his guru Dronacharya, he was asked to aim a bird sitting on a tree. Before shooting, the guru asked each student, "What do you see?" One said, "I see the tree." Another said, "I see the sky." Someone said, "I see the bird." But Arjun said, "I see only the eye of the bird." And that's focus, the ability to block out everything else, to see only your goal and nothing beyond it. When your vision becomes that sharp, that clear, no obstacle can stop you. You don't need more time, you don't need more motivation, you just need more focus. Because when your mind is scattered, even 10 hours of work won't change your life. But when your mind is focused, even 1 hour can create miracle. Stop chasing everything, start chasing one thing, and give it your everything, because in the end your focus decides your future. So, from today, protect your focus. Value it more than your time, because focus makes your time valuable. Whenever your focus goes, your energy flows, and that's what shapes your greatness. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And tell us what's the biggest distraction you want to overcome. Remember, your life becomes powerful the moment your focus does.